switch case in JavaScript. Yes, yes, yes. Switch case in JavaScript, we'll see. Switch case, the same syntax we have, say let x equals some value 4. What is the syntax here is keyword is switch, exactly what you did in Java and C. Switch off that statement, case is the keyword, and then you give some value, colon, console log, we can say it's a 1, something like that. And break statement plays the exact same role as we did in other languages. Case 2, we'll say case 4 here. Case 4, we can say console log, it's a 4, something like that, break. And we also have default. If none of the cases match default, we'll have console log, nothing matched, and break here too, and that's it. Now when you run this, the output should be it's a 4. So control alt 10, it's a 4. Switch case. Switch case with numbers, switch case with decimals also is fine. 4.5 I give 1.5, 4.5, something like that. This also works. Control N, it's a 4. It's a 4.5. So you can also use float values in the switch case. You can also use strings with switch case. Like in Java, you can also use strings. If I say Satish and case Ram here, so you can also use strings. But when you use strings, you have to give that in quotes. Satish is a learning JavaScript, we can say. That's a spelling mistake here. So what will be the output? Learning JavaScript. So you can use strings, you can use boolean, you can also use boolean. Say x is true. So if it is true, what is the case? So no need to give that within quotes. Case true, case false. Now you can say when it is false, it's going to be learning JavaScript. When it is true, it will say it's a true. Now let me run this. So what will be the output? It's a true. So you can use boolean, string, float, numbers with your switch statement. You can also have nested switch cases. You can nest a switch block within the switch block. Maybe you try nested switch on your own. Just having a switch here. Maybe you say let x is equal to 2, and we can go with it's a true value here. Then we can have another switch case here too. We can have switch of some number. This is possible. Switch of k or something like that. And I'm just giving a demo here. I mean, we can have let k is equal to 2 or 3. Switch of k, this is a nested switch case. So this entire switch block is nested within the outer switch. That's possible. Now we can do case 2. What is that we can log here? It's a 2 from nested. And then break. So we can nest an entire switch case within another switch case. Case 3. So case 3 will say console log, it's a 3 from nested. And then break, we can have a default. This is console log, it's not matching, something like that. And then we can have a break here too. So finish. So this is like a switch nested within another switch. So what will happen first? Say let's say it's a case 2, so it comes here. Yes, please. So it's a case 2, it comes here, it logs it's a true, then case 3 will be logged. This one I'll change it to case 10, something like that. We'll have everything to be number. Okay. So what will be the output here? It's a true, and then it's a 3 from nested. Let's run this one. It's a true and it's 3 from nested. So you can have multiple levels of switch cases Nested switch blocks are allowed, but I don't recommend nesting more than 2 levels. If you have got more than 2 levels of nesting, you refactor your code. Okay. Switch blocks we have understood. Are you all following switch cases? Nothing new, the same concept.